Huawei introduces its new MatePad Air 2026 tablet with an ultra-thin and ultra-light profile. It comes in 3 colors: Sakura Pink, Airy Blue and White, coupled with 8 and 12 GB of RAM. It equips OLED PaperMatte touchscreen display with 12 inches screen size, with 1840 by 2800 pixel resolution, 1200 nits peak brightness. PaperMatte technology ensures balanced brightness and natural tones on the screen. Huawei MatePad Air 2026 runs HarmonyOS 4.3 and 256 of internal storage. The camera has a 50 megapixel main camera on the back and a 12 megapixel on the front for video conferencing. Huawei MatePad Air 2026 battery is a 10,100 mAh with 66 watt fast charging support. It can play 10 hours of a online HDR video playback. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.